Hello, today I'm going to show you how to remove your engine compartment cover. It is also known as carrot of your Smart ForTwo. Oh yeah, the engine compartment cover can become very hot. There is a risk of injury if we remove the engine compartment cover to work in the engine compartment. Allow the engine to cool down before removing the engine compartment cover. But first, before we can go to the engine compartment cover, we have to open the car lid, of course. And then we have to remove the good old carpet. Yeah. We slide it and fold it a little bit upward. And if you have a stick, you can support that unit there to let the carpet in position. And underneath the carpet you can see what we are going to remove next. The good old engine compartment cover. Yeah, of course, we have to switch the ignition off. We have to select the gear before and apply the parking brake. We have to remove the key from the ignition lock, and then we can do that. It's really easy, as you can see. We have removed the carpet, and then we can see it. There it is. Yeah. We have to unscrew the screws. There are 4 thick of them. We have to unscrew these 6 screws from the engine compartment cover manually. You can see this is a good old hand job here. It's no prop. You can handle this too. Then, if we remove the screws, yeah, the good old engine compartment cover is free, and we can remove the engine compartment cover. Now we can see the engine area. We can see the good and awesome engine. It's a 3-cylinder engine here. We can see on the left side the air filter. We can see in the center. We can see the ignition coils, etc. We can see on the right side. This is the oil area, and on the upper right side we can see there is the alternator. Okay, if we finished our job in the engine area, we have to remove everything out of the engine area, of course. Then we have to get back our engine compartment cover back into position. Slide the engine compartment cover forward as far as it will go. Slide it back in position, as you can see. It's really easy. And then the next step is we have to retighten the screws manually. If this does not work, well, because the screws are damaged as well, you can also use a Torx screwdriver for that. It's a characteristic by a 6-point star shaped pattern developed in 1967 in camp car Textron. A popular generic name of the driver is Star. This bit you can also use to tighten that screws again. That's awesome, isn't it? Yes, it is. Awesome. So, now everything is back in position. There's only one thing we have to handle about the next thing. We have to put the carpet back into the vehicle. Yeah. We slide it back, fold down the carpet, and push it under the slide paneling. Ooh, of course, if you have a vehicle with subwoofer, you have to fit back the subwoofer again. And that it is how to remove and how to get back your engine compartment cover back in position. It is also known as carrot of your Smart ForTwo. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.